Hi, we are going to learn about how to input data and how to share data that is placed on Exabis Eportfolio. I tried to find out what Exabis means, and I really couldn't find any definition, but I believe it just might be a brand name of the company who made the software so that we could use an e-portfolio on Moodle, but I'm not actually sure of that. But the word we do know is portfolio and e-portfolio. E-portfolio is an electronic portfolio. And just as a normal portfolio that's used in education, an e-portfolio can do the same thing. It shows evidence of learning, or more importantly, competencies that have been acquired as a result of a student's learning. Now, let's use an e-portfolio to document my learning that has taken place over these 3 weeks on Moodle for Teachers. Now, I started this class knowing nothing. And week 1 and week 2, and now the start for me of the week 3 assignments, I see I've acquired a great deal of competencies. And I want to document them. And this is how you would do it. The teacher or the administrator has already added the block Exabis ePortfolio to the page, and basically it appears almost on every one of these tabs. If you just scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see that there is the block Exabis ePortfolio. And if I look at it, I have several options of what I can do. I can share my CV, which in this case is irrelevant because my purpose is to document my learning, not to document myself. So I'm not going to use that. My portfolio artifacts, which will be important because here I will store my evidences of learning or my competencies of what I have developed as a skill over these 3 weeks. And then I'm not exactly sure what my views are, but I have my views and shared views, and we will explore that as well. And then we have shared categories and import-export. I'm not sure we'll go over all of these aspects, but we certainly will try to do a few. So now I will go into my portfolio artifacts. So here is where I will input whatever information I want to keep in my portfolio. It's not yet going to be organized. It's just going to be an unfiled kind of accumulatory of any information I want. I will have to organize it into categories or organize it into views in order for it to have a theme. But for now, I can provide a link to something I have done in this class, or a file to something I have done in this class, or a note. And now we will do one of the 3, and we will also do a category, and I'm going to call one of my categories videos, and we're going to see if it works. I really don't know. First of all, we have root category. We have no other option. But I will click category and see what happens. And here we are. I'm going to fill out this information for this category. I think I'll call it videos. Okay, I call the name of this category videos from screencast because I know over the course of week 1, week 2, and week 3 I made videos. And I want to show that I know how to make a video. So this will be the name of my category. And here I'm supposed to add files. But I'm not sure what this is exactly because I don't really want to add files to the category right now. I want to add files to my artifacts and then add it to the category. So we'll see if it works. Okay, I'm going to save the change. Okay, I saved the category, videos from screencast. And now I'll see if I can link the file. Okay, I went into week 1 and I went into the forum on Poodle. And now I'm going to click my post and see if this is one way that we could actually add information to the ePortfolio. So I have these here, and I have this here, and over here I have the option to export to portfolio. And let's see if it works. Select destination. Okay, exporting content. Select destination. I actually want to do it. I guess I have no choice here. I wanted to do it to the category, but I see I don't have any choice. So I'll hit next and we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm given this exporting to portfolio, configure exported data. I'm not even really going to look at it, but I will hit edit after export just to see what happens. And now we're going to hit next. Okay, now I'm going to just confirm it. And I'm told that my portfolio export has been successfully queued for transfer. And I'm going to hit continue to your portfolio. I want to see, did it really happen? Let's see. Wrong entry ID. So that didn't work. Okay. And I want to find out why. This page does not exist yet. You can search for this page title in other pages. Okay, this is why it's very confusing. So I'm going to go back and find my original portfolio and try to put it a different way. Okay, I'm going to take the URL of my post and I'm going to add it. I'm going to add it back to the block that has to deal with Exabis ePortfolio. I'm going to hit link, see if it will work. Okay, so I went into that block, I hit link, and then I'm giving it a title. Even if I'm not spelling it right, it's okay. Poodle on Moodle, I have no choice, it's a root category. I clicked the actual UR link to the actual post from week 1. I typed here my first screencast. I learned how to screencast and to also use Poodle on Moodle. This is week 1's evidence of learning, and now I hit submit. Okay, so it worked. I have this link, but what I really want to do is I want to add it to the category videos from screencast, and I'm not sure I can, but I'm going to try to figure it out, and if I figure it out, I'll come back with the answer. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I wish I could put this in my ePortfolio. Look at this. Instead of the root category, I click it, and I put it under videos from screencast and submit it. And then when I go into videos from screencast category, guess what I see? I see that I have my video. And now I could add, which you already know how to do by looking at the other videos, a few more links or files or notes to the root category. And then I could transfer it into this category, which is called videos from screencast, but I'm not going to because of time restraints. What I want to do now is find out, can I view this category and can I share it? And when I go into my views, without me having done anything, I see that I have week 1, my evidence of learning from week 1 Moodle for Teachers, which is not exactly what I want to share. I want to share that category. I'm going to go into shared views and see what it says. And I'm not sure what's in this view that I'm sharing, but here it says I could share it, share by user, view, date. Nobody is sharing a portfolio with you. And other courses, I could add these people. Let's see if there's anyone from our class. there isn't. So I'm not really sure how this works. Let's try shared categories. Other courses. She looks like a nice girl. Category, shared with. Category, shared with. Category, shared with. Well, this doesn't really help me, does it? Because it's not showing me my category, and it's not showing me how I can share it. So I am not sure how that works. I'm going to go back into my views and see if I have an option to share it with anybody. Add a view. Let's try that. Title, description. Okay, I'm going to see if I can do that. So now, if you see here, I have gone into my views, add a view. I put screencasts, evidence of my ability to do a screencast, and then it says automatically add all available artifacts to this view. It doesn't let me select a specific category. Share to all teachers in this course. So this isn't really the way I want to do it. I just want to show that category to the teachers. But it won't let me do that. It only lets me share to all teachers and all artifacts. So I have no choice. So that's what I'm going to do. And when I do that, I can see here, view design, Poodle on Moodle. This is actually the view content, okay? I don't know how it got here exactly, but this is mine, okay? But underneath it, I'm getting somebody else's learning. Well, I'm going to erase that. I don't want that. Padlet, I'm getting everyone's. I don't want all this. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm getting so many people's lessons, and I'm not sure why. And this is not really very helpful. I could be doing this forever. So I'm getting everyone's save changes. Okay, I don't know how I got everyone else's evidence of learning on my portfolio view. I'm saving the changes after I deleted everyone's and kept mine. And I have my views, view design. Here it is, view design. Okay, here's this. Let's see what that is. Okay, I have no idea. I'm going to tell you, because of time, I'm not going to hit all these. Title, description, layout, content, that's a view. I want to hit share, see what happens. The idea that I want to do is I want to take a specific select information from my portfolio artifacts, put them in a category, and share that category to select people. So far, I'm not really learning how to do that. Okay, sharing, internal access, access only for the following users, access for all, access only for the following users. Well, I remember Natasha. Let's see if she's in here. Search. Wow, I don't remember which one is our Natasha from our class. So I remember an Alan. Oh gosh, not all these people are from our class. Okay, so I can't do that. I'm going to share it with Nellie. Let's see, even though she's a teacher. Let's see. This is connected to too many people. I don't even know these people. Nellie Deitch. Okay, let me see who I can share it with. Okay, I took a name from a post from our class. Let's see if she shows up. No users found. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to share this with anyone. How's that? I'm not really sure how we use it. Nellie, I spelled her name wrong. Let's see. Nellie Deitch. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to save my changes. Okay, I go into shared views, my views, and I don't see that it's shared. I go into shared categories, and it's very confusing because I'm hitting category, and all of a sudden I'm getting all these people who I don't even recognize that aren't part of our course, whose names are appearing with images, and I can browse this category, share this category, but they're not in our class. So it's very confusing. Like, I'm going to share this one, browse this category. I wanted to share my category, and I'm not able to. So let's see what happens here, if I can see what's in her category. So I think that something isn't being select just to our class. But I also could import or export my category.